For this last little bit of video, we're going to start by doing some cleanup. If you go back to scene 1, you'll notice that when you tested it, it said type your name here, and then there's a text box, and there's all kinds of letters that we had to erase and get rid of. So this is how we're going to get over that. If we go back to scene 1 and I click on the first frame, it'll open up our action script window, and you'll see the word stop. I'm going to put in this type right in front of it. So I typed in p1 name dot text equals quote type here end quote. And so what that does is when I test the movie, it replaces all the gibberish with type here, and then I can put in Mr. D. Welcome, Mr. D. Are you ready to take a quiz? Are you awesome? Yes. But I want to make this more personal too, because right now it just says sweet. But remember, the player already typed their name in. So if we go to question 1 and we go to yes, the frame called yes. So right now we have a little tiny, we have, oh, that's sweet, great. I'm glad you think you're awesome. But what if we want to make it more personal? So I could start a new text box, and I'm going to change it from static text to dynamic text. And underneath the variable, so if we go down to options variable, we type in p1 name. And remember, that goes all the way back to the first scene. And then, of course, I want to make sure they have enough room. And then maybe after that, I'm going to create a new text box. I'm going to try, apparently. Create a new text box. There we go. That's great. And right now, you'll notice that when I deselect, this one still has an outline. If I'm just leaving a message, maybe I don't want the outline, and I can just turn it off here. So I can line these up where it says sweet, and this is dynamic text, and the computer tells it what to say, so whatever the person types in the first scene, that will pop up there. So if I go, this one's for you, Maddie. Type your name, Maddie. Are you ready to take our quiz? Yes. Sweet, Maddie. That's great. So we can make it very personal. So what I'm going to have you do is design a quiz, 2-3 questions. It doesn't have to be a lot. If you want to do simple yes or no's with buttons, click on this button. It's yes answer. It takes you to one scene. You click on the no button, it takes you to another scene. Remember, you have to use frame labels. But I'd like you to at least try doing the input text to see if you can get them to type in different answers. Like, what's the average number of fingers it earns? Well, of course, the average number of fingers is 5, because some people have 4 and some people have 6. You average together, you get 5. So you can come up with questions like that. But that's basically going to be your next assignment, and you have about a week to do it. Good luck.